All right, guys. Your essential question for today is how do we use related rates to solve real life problems? The main vocabulary word is related rate. In order to solve these related rates, we're going to need to not only remember all of our rules of differentiation, but also, importantly, the chain rule and also implicit differentiation. Those are very crucial to working out related rate problems. Now, just to give you a little backstory, an important use of the chain rule is to find rates of change of two or more related variables, and they can be related in a formula or an equation. The key thing here is that they are changing with respect to time. So inherently, guys, what we're going to be finding is the derivative or rate of change with respect to time. So d over dt. For example, when water is drained out of a conical tank, such as this one right here, the volume V, the radius R, and the height h of the water level are all functions of time. So problems are going to be like where I give you information about this and ask you to tell me how are the other variables changing as time goes on. Here's some general guidelines for doing related rate problems. First one, always try and draw a figure. Very important to kind of help you get an idea of where stuff goes, where the variables go. Also, try and, if they don't give you a formula, come up with a formula involving like similar triangles, trig rules, the Pythagorean theorem, your volume formulas, stuff like that. Then once you get the formula, you're going to need to differentiate. Typically, it's implicit differentiation, so that's why we had to cover that. And then also to find your unknown, you're going to have to substitute in values that are given in the problem. All right, so there are some guidelines for the types of problems that we're going to be doing solving related rate problems.